Hello, here we have a real value function that takes x and maps to 1 minus x all over 1 plus x. Find f of negative 3 and find the inverse function in the similar manner. Solution. Our f of x is 1 minus x all over 1 plus x. And we are told that x should not be equal to negative 1. That's correct, because if x takes the value negative 1, we'll end up with 1 minus 1 at the denominator, and dividing by 0, that is not allowed. It will make the function completely undefined. So what is f of negative 3? F of negative 3 will be 1 minus negative 3 all over 1 plus negative 3. This will give us negative negative plus, and plus negative negative. And so we end up with 4 all over negative 2, which is negative 2. That is it for A. Now the inverse function, we have a 3-step procedure. Let y be equal to your f of x. That's step 1. We now solve for x in terms of y. This is a fraction. We can make this one also a fraction, and so we can carry out cross multiplication. So we have y into 1 plus x is equal to 1 minus x. Open out the parentheses, y plus yx is equal to 1 minus x. We are solving for x, so we bring all the x terms to one side. Negative x coming over, we have this is yx plus x. Okay, this negative x coming over become plus x, and this is plus y going that way, it becomes negative y. So that we can factorize out x here. Right, so that from here, if we divide both sides by y plus 1, we end up having the expression for x, which is 1 minus y all over y plus 1. This is the expression for x. So conclusion, therefore, the expression for the inverse function, we just simply replace y with the x. So we have 1 minus x all over x plus 1. Now, in similar manner, the manner in which f was defined, we found the letter of the function. So here we have the inverse letter takes x, maps to the expression, which is 1 minus x all over x plus 1. So this is the inverse function defined in a similar manner.